It is now time to learn how to download the Kyocera web installer so that the KX print driver for the PA4000WX printer can be installed while connected via the IP address with a network cable. Using a web browser on a PC, enter in the following URL, mykyocera.info. This will bring up the Kyocera Download Center. In the Refine the Product by entering a partial product name area, type in PA4000. Look for and click on the EcoSys PA4000WX. The page for this printer will appear. Confirm the proper operating system. In this example, it is Windows 10 64-bit. Scroll down the page to Easy Installation. Click on the blue download arrow to the right of Web Installer, Windows only. A license agreement will appear. Scroll down the page and click on the Agree to Contract and Download. If the browser attempts to block the download, click on the button in the upper right corner as shown. Then click on the Download Unverified File button in the same area. The web installer will be downloaded. Once the file has downloaded, go to the Download folder and find the file. In our example, we are looking at the browser download link area in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this webinstaller.exe file. The web installer will begin. If a user account control screen pops up to verify the document, select Yes. A license agreement will appear. Scroll down to Read the agreement and click on Agree. The resource and energy saving window will appear. Click on OK. We will now see the web installer window. There are three options: Install, Uninstall, and Maintenance. Click on Install. The web installer will begin to look for devices. Locate and click on the EcoSys PA4000WX option with the IP address listed. Click on Next. The available components will begin to appear. We can decide here which components to install. In our example, we are using the default choices. KX driver is checked. Notice that status monitor and fonts will automatically install. Click on Install. The web installer will begin the installation process. Each component will show as pending, then downloading, then downloaded, then installing, and finally installed. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once all components are installed, select Next. We can now configure this printer. Here we can see the Kyocera PA4000WX via the IP address is listed. We can print a test page by clicking here. This printer can be our default printer by clicking that option. The printer is set at the factory to print on both sides of the page. If we decide to print on one side only, then this must be unchecked. When the Configure Printer page is completed, select Finish. We have now downloaded and installed the print driver as well as printed a test page on the PA4000WX via the IP address network with a network cable.